So these bulbs have been scaled last year and now they are going to grow, and I just show you the little scale bulblets they made. So these were the scales, they rotted away and they have these small bulblets now, which are going well for this particular cultivar. You can see that there's not yet much root, but they will grow quite well. I show you again, these were the scales last year's scales, and these are the scale bulbs, scale bulblets.